Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering authority signals, an official website, active social profiles, and verified Google login access. Once done, confirm a neutral third-party reference like Wikipedia or Wikidata exists. These few sources are why Google trusts your identity. Next, search Google for your entity name, locate the knowledge panel on the right, and click Claim this knowledge panel. Follow the on-screen verification prompts. This proves control, so Google will accept future edits and signals. Now focus on the complex middle. You must supply structured data and consistent facts so Google can confidently populate the panel. Implement schema. Org markup for person, organization, or local business and include canonical tags. Make sure name, address, titles, and social links match across every profile and directory. Simultaneously, secure trustworthy citations, press, interviews, and database entries because Google weighs external verifiability heavily. To complete the process, finish Google's verification steps and submit your official details for panel updates. Once accepted, propose edits directly in the Knowledge panel or via Google Business Profile to keep data current. If Google doesn't show changes immediately, be patient and continue updating source pages like Wikipedia, Wikidata, and your site. Google recrawls these. If things go wrong, use the panel's feedback option and correct the authoritative sources first. Fixing source errors generally resolves panel issues faster.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.